Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to be making us a nice, quick, and easy dish. It's really easy. We're going to be making us a Mexican spaghetti casserole. It's got a few ingredients. We're going to put them all together and then we're going to throw them in the oven. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, I just turned my oven on to 350. Here we have a 9 by 13 pan for the oven, some butter spray, some Mexican blend cheese back there. I'm going to have 2 cups. 1 cup goes into the mix, the other cup goes on the top. We got some salsa back there. That's going to be 1 cup of that. We got 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Got a couple tablespoons of taco seasoning. Got 1 cup of sour cream. Got a 1/4 cup of jalapeno. That's my deal for this one. And then here I've got 2 cups of shredded chicken, not grated. And here I've got my pasta already cooked. So you might want to do that first. Oh, cook your pasta and your chicken, eh? Okay, like I said, it goes together pretty quick. So here we're going to spray down our pan. And you can use butter if you want. You can use Crisco, oil, whatever you got. I just happen to have some butter spray, and that's good. All right, that's all we got to do with that. Next, we're gonna take our cream of chicken. There's no order to put this in. I'm just doing my way because I think this helps balance out the mixing stuff. You know what I mean? Set that down for right now. Put this over here so it's out of the way. Take this one, dump it in there. Now this meal is pretty cheap for feeding everybody. Speaking of cheap, usually I get my chicken breast from Sam's, Walmart. Get them from Aldi's. I didn't check Aldi's yet today, but the price of chicken breast has like skyrocketed in Walmart. What I used to pay $9 or $10 for, it's up to $15. So I don't know. But anyhow, this here will feed a bunch of people. And like I said, depending on where you buy the ingredients at, you can get them pretty cheap. Anyway, sour cream next. Now you can, if you don't like all sour cream, you can mix it with some of your low-fat Greek yogurt or whatever tickles your fancy. Okay. Then I'm going to sprinkle in some of my taco seasoning. It's getting a little lumpy. It's moist. Oh boy, getting in trouble again. I'm going to try to spread this out a little bit. Okay. And we're going to take our jalapeno. And this is optional. I'm just doing this for a little bit of heat. I might even put some more pepper flakes in there. I don't know yet. Penny, I know she likes it when it has a little heat to it. And she always looks at me and goes, you got a little heat in there. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just mixing this all together. And I think the only reason I'm doing it this way, because I think it will blend. It's easier to blend all your powder stuff in here, your taco seasoning. If you wanted to, you can put some slap your mama in here. You can put anything you want, paprika. I'm just doing this a basic, quick recipe. Don't want to put too many ingredients, but that way you guys will see how easy it is, and it does feed a nice. Well, unless you want to have half the bowl yourself, then you have enough for 2. But you'll see it. Okay, so now let me. Okay, next we're going to add the salsa in. Now you can put any kind of salsa you want. You got the green one, the red one, whatever name brand you like. You can get store-bought, whatever makes you happy. Now we're going to put our chicken in here, a little bit at a time. So I want to mix all this stuff pretty thoroughly. Okay. And that's, like I said, 2 cups of shredded chicken. Yeah, but I'll tell you, the food prices are getting out of control. I don't know what's going on with this world nowadays. But, you know, I'm going to start trying to find some easy recipes for you guys that's not only easy, but it's cheap. Like the good old days, huh? I don't know. Don't know what's happening here, but it's okay. I don't think it's the Ukraine war. I don't think it's Mr. Biden. I don't know what's going on because it was all happening before that happened. So anyhow, doesn't matter. I ain't blaming nobody. I know people are getting rich off this time of year, but hey, that's everywhere. Okay. Let me see. Don't you wish it was you, right? I didn't pack this in here, believe it or not. But when I put it in, it was a little bit not damp yet because I took it right out of the pot. And that was about, I'd have to say, almost 2 full chicken breasts. That yielded me 2 cups of shredded chicken. I'm telling you, this is so easy, and it's really tasty. You can spice it up any way you like, and do whatever you like to it, but it's really, really, really good. So let's get this mixed in. Now we're going to put the cheese in here. We're going to do half the cheese. Like I said, this is 1 cup. So I'll put this in there. We're going to mix this in. Okay. That's going to be cheesy. We're going to put some more cheese on the top. But I'm hoping that this, with the jalapeno edition this time I'm putting jalapenos in there. Last time we didn't do that, man, Penny. But this came out good. So, what's new? There used to be a show in Germany with that, like there was a guy that was a tailor, I guess you'd say. But he had a TV show, very captive audience in Germany. That Armed Forces Network. It was oh, so what's new? SEW. So what's new? Okay. I need to get on there and teach all about sewing. Whatever. I know I'm probably aging myself, but that's that. Graham Kerr cooking with the Galloping Gourmet or whatever. He was on there anyway. In goes our spaghetti. Now you could put any kind of spaghetti you want in here. You put noodles, twists, elbows, whatever you like. I just happen to have these already cooked up in the fridge from a recipe that we made the other day. This is 8 ounces of cooked pasta. Yeah, Penny came and looked at. I had all of my ingredients laid out, my mise en place, as it were. And she says, "Oh, that's not going to be enough noodles." Well, I need to call Miss Penny in here right quick so she can see this. It's more than enough, huh? But we did put a fair amount of ingredients in here anyway. But you can, like I said, you can also buy canned chicken. And I know that's a little cheaper than if you want to buy chicken breast right now. But you can get canned chicken. Bumblebee makes it. A whole bunch of different places make it. Some stores make their own name brand. So, but it would be a little cheaper. But this is good. It's all good. Okay, so now I'm going to level this out. I'm just trying to make sure that it's thoroughly mixed, you know. Seems like we got more spaghetti on that side, don't it? Oh well. Okay. Hey guys, it's starting to warm up in here in Florida, man. It's almost time for me and Penny to go swimming. I know some of you are probably still a little chilly, but sorry to hear about that. But this here, oh yeah. So now we're going to take some cheese now. and put it on top. Yeah, baby. Yeah, this is looking good, smelling good. All right. It's real easy, as you guys can see. You can't get much easier than this. So this is another cup that's in this bag. It says 2 cups, so I used half of it already. And we're just going to smother this baby with cheese. Hey, look at that. There goes my oven, just on time, huh? And we're going to bake this covered for about 20-25 minutes. Take the cover off and cook it for another 5. What we're trying to do here is everything's basically cooked. So we're just trying to get this cheese to have nice golden bubbly brown. Oh yeah, this is going to be the catch, you know what. Yeah. All right, there you go. There you have it. All right. Be right back. Okay, and I'm back, and it was a flash. It was just two cabinet doors down. Here you go. We got some aluminum foil we're going to put on the top of here. The oven's right behind me, so we're going to stick this in there and let it cook for, like I said, about 20-25 minutes. Take the cover off. Let it cook for 5 minutes more, and then we'll be enjoying our meal. So we'll see you in about 25. Okay, guys, fresh out of the oven, or just in time out of the oven. It's still bubbling a little bit, so we're going to let this cool down a bit so I can give us up a serving. We'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, there you are. Elmo dove in already. Still just a tad bit too hot. Wait till it cools down just a little more, and I'll meet you at the taste test table. Okay. Thank you, camera girl. Mr. Elmo jumped right out of the pan into the plate. Let me give him a little taste there. Still quite hot, but that's delicious. Mexican pasta casserole, delicious. It really is good. You know, you guys can put whatever you want in here, whatever kind of Mexican flair you want to put in here, spices and otherwise. It's got a nice creamy richness. I can definitely taste a little bit of jalapeno in here. The old taco seasoning, really good. Very good, it's delicious. Like I say, you can feed a bunch of people with that there 9x13 pan. But at any rate, if you guys like the video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, your family. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. You hit the subscribe button. Once you do that, little notification bell will pop up. You hit that, that'll notify you each and every time we come up with another video. There's a little arrow down button right below the video box on the right hand side. You hit that, drop down box will come down. You'll get a link to Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page. You'll get a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and you'll get the complete list of ingredients for this delicious, delicious recipe. So, my friends, stay hungry, and when you are, come back, and we will give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying stay healthy, stay out of COVID's way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. We are out for now.